See, this is HTML crash course. See, this is a course, and see the structure of code. First of all, you just install the Visual Studio. Then you can create a new file, and then you just um, save the file. Control S. Then it will open the tab and just you name like index.html. Then you save the file. Now the file will be saved. Then you just open the format like the basic format of HTML is like first you put the exclamatory mark and you can write doc type and close bracket. And now the file will be saved. Then you just this is the first step. Then you can put the open bracket here, right? That title tag. This will be a title tag. You just write like hi, uh, welcome to HTML course. Then after that you can create the body tag and see that again you close the body tag. Before you close you should put the backspace, but after end of the code you can close the backslash title of HTML. This is the structure, basic structure of HTML. See, this is the first step. You should write those things. Second step, the title which you are written like welcome to the HTML code. Third, the body tag, and you close the body tag. Inside what you written, it will be displayed in the screen. Like first step, you can write the H1. H1 indicate the heading one. Then HTML session on. Just close the tab. Now you save the file and you just click the file and copy path. Then you can go to the just google it the copy path. Then you see that uh, it will take some time to load the file. See that it doesn't show like anything like when I see what mistake we done and see HTML body tag title tag. mm, the title tag control S. Come to here, see that the text will be shown here. HTML session 1. This we written in the H1 tag. That we written the H1 tag. So that it will be displayed in the here HTML tag. And see that one thing in the top. Welcome to HTML course which you written in the a title tag what we return it automatically store in the welcome to HTML code. And another example to explain it, like you can change mm, HTML crash course and save it. Click the Control S and see again. See HTML crash course. It will display in the top of the uh, tab, and see here doesn't change anything because we don't change anything, so it will stay again. And the second thing, just copy the path and see the difference in copy and paste. Mm, just rename it h1 like h2. Control S. See see the difference between the two letters. We display same text, but see the two difference between the size of these two letters. You can see the H1 heading 1, then heading 2, and see again. We just copy the same path, rename it like H3. Here also rename H3 and Control S. And again, see the letter size will be decreased simultaneously, and see the between this letter and this letter the same text we written it, but the changes we done like h1 h2 h3 we done three different. Suppose you done h2 in the title, for example, like h2, mm, h2, and then if title tag it doesn't change anything if you put like this and nothing. But inside you can add the p tag which means the paragraph tag, like something